Too many saucepans look interchangeable. Start with the Tramontina 3-quart for everyday versatility, then switch for smaller portions, bigger batches, or constant whisking. Choose by batch size, pan shape, storage, and cost. For small batch cooking, choose the Tramontina Signature Tri-Ply clad stainless steel 2-quart covered saucepan. It's manageable with one hand and size for oatmeal, soup reheats, butter, eggs, or modest grain portions. The tall, stable body suits straightforward everyday work. But capacity disappears quickly beyond 1 or 2 servings, and straight walls aren't ideal for whisk-heavy reductions. Skip it if pasta, potatoes, larger sides, or family cooking dominate your week. Choose Tramontina's 3-quart covered stainless saucepan when one pan needs to cover everyday meals. It's roomy enough for sauces, grains, vegetables, instant noodles, boxed pasta, and modest side dishes. Compared with a 2-quart pan, it takes more cabinet space and isn't as quick to wash. It also doesn't offer a 4-quart pan's extra room or assist handle. Skip it for tiny reheats or frequent large boiling projects. Pick Tramontina's 4-quart covered stainless saucepan for spaghetti, potatoes, soup, and larger batches of grains. Its added capacity gives ingredients more breathing room, and the helper handle aids lifting. That's useful when dinner stretches beyond a few servings. The trade-off is a heavier pan that takes more room to fill, clean, and store. You'll still want both hands when it's full. Skip it for single-serving reheats or compact kitchens. For frequent stirring, pick the All-Clad D3 Curated 2.5-quart Saucier with lid. Its rounded interior lets your whisk or spoon reach the edges smoothly, which suits custards, bechamel, risotto, pot au choux, and pan sauces. That shape also gives reductions more working room. The trade-off is a wider, shallower body that claims extra burner and cabinet space. Skip it if you prefer classic tall walls or need capacity for substantial soup and pasta batches. Consider All-Clad's everyday 3-quart lidded saucepan if you're building a premium stainless cookware set. It's suited to frequent cooking with tall sides, medium capacity, and comfortable access for stirring. You'll pay considerably more than for Tramontina's comparable 3-quart option, despite similar everyday duties. The handle hardware also adds crevices during cleanup. Skip it if value leads your decision, because a less costly pan handles many of these meals. Choose All-Clad's 4-quart lidded saucepan for frequent soups, vegetables, sauces, and larger stovetop cooking. It's especially appealing when compatible All-Clad pieces are already in your kitchen. The helper handle supports heavier loads, while shared lid fit adds convenience within that collection. But it's pricier, heavier, and bulkier to store than Tramontina's 4-quart alternative. Skip it if you mostly cook small portions or want the lowest cost large saucepan. Small portions, Tramontina 2-quart. Everyday cooking, Tramontina 3-quart. Big batches, Tramontina 4-quart. Constant whisking, All-Clad Saucier. Choose All-Clad 3-quart or 4-quart when premium construction and collection fit justify the cost. Before buying, check burner width, cabinet clearance, typical serving size, loaded pan handling, lid storage, and how much cleanup detail you'll tolerate. Start with the Tramontina 3-quart unless your portions clearly demand smaller or larger. Choose the Saucier for whisking, or pay for All-Clad when premium ownership fits your priorities. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.